In Africa, I got a question that this command council that led by Dr. Karim as a chairperson and Dr. Ungizwe, as well as the president of this country, is the same command council that briefed the Mr. President of this country, Cyril Ramaphosa. I'm asking the question whether they live in this country or not. You cannot treat us like this if you really stayed in this country. You really live in this country. Ngoba lokho umshayisa ngamahloni. We have been affected by your decisions. You are not doing enough research. You are not on the ground. You don't even know what is happening down there. The whole of this year, we have been suffering. No events, nothing. Ayiki dekhona. Even ngishimali lena yo 350 akaza sithole. Even ngishimali lekuthiwa ama relief akaza sithole. Nothing. But Nina, you are there, up front there, and you are getting money, you are getting bonuses. Nize ngishimali ezamfonya. Lena okuthiwa ingadliwa. Nidimali emfonya. Nibhizi niyaphenyana niyabophana, thina we are suffering down there. How can you cancel everything that is our bread and butter? It's our lifetime. We don't know anything else. Thina ngaphandle kokuzisamela sizenzela ama event ethu sihlanganisela abantu sicosha khona siqashwe sibe o-MC ama artists aqashwa zoperforma. That is our business. We are not committing any crime. We are not committing any corruption in this country. Makshaw 12 ebusuku thina siyalala asilindele chithi I am a hoaxer because we are living a noble life. Those people who are living the noble life are the ones who suffer the most in this country. How can you open the volume of the coronavirus and close the volume when it suits you? When it was by-election of this country, 2 by-elections that has been happening in this country on an 11th of November 2020, there was a by-election all over the country. And the second one was last week. Do you remember when you were campaigning? How many thousands of people were gathered there, Mr. President? How many people have gathered all over the country, even in Lapa Great Town? I remember DJ Dera and Gena Stage Lapa a rocky crowd and we are suffering today because of you, Mr. President. You are over consulting. You don't even think of us down there in the ground. You don't even know how suffered we are in this country. Then we expect to clap hands and vote for you. Never. We are suffering. And I'm disappointed that how many leaders of this country who are just quiet. I'm disappointed. Now baba sekalala ngikwazi ngwathemba mfethu uwelo. Uwe baba sekalala lona okwazi ukuvuma udoti, ukwazi ukuvuma into engekho. You can't be firm as our leader in the province. Please. We trusted you for a very long time. This is the time to stand for us. In America, le American yethembe ukudlula wonke umuntu. Iyo kanye enibukela kuyona, Mr. President, and you, the Premier of the KwaZulu Natal, sihlosikalala ukuthi le America lena ikwaze ukubekezela ihlanganisa abantu abayimillion aba-infected nge-coronavirus within a week ngenxa yokuthi they respected the economy, they respected elections, knowing that people will die more than these thousands of people are dying through corona if they can die through ukuba distracted to a country through economy as well as indlala no government unstable. The whole world will suffer if America can be distracted. Kodwa namhlanje thina sibuka lemhlola eyenzakala kule lizwe. We are very clear about our lives. We love our lives. But when it suits you, when there are by-elections, there is no second waves. When there is festive season where we need Osha nathi sibuyisele ingane esikoleni ngoJanuary. There is a second wave. You are shutting down the country. Where on earth the event can happen? Ngabantu aba 250 ngabantu aba 100. Do you know lokwazalwa Mr. President ukuthi event yini yona yodwa? Iyazi ukuthi event yini. Do you know that an event organizer is a business person? Noma wazi ukuthi abantu abawosoma business laba bewayine eKapa bona bane freedom yo wonke umuntu. Do you know mama badayisa eBish ukuthi bawosoma business? Do you know mama abadayi eyinkulunkulu osiphakameni Shembe wezulu nomhlaba ezingahlukumezeka ezweni? Akaze ngiyibone into njengalena. Uyazi abantu abadayisa esitimeleni ukuthi how much they've been suffering? Then you say there should be no crime in this country, there should be no corruption in this country, and what are we living for? Are there any business opportunities? Are there any employment opportunities? Do you know what is nabahleli? Niyakanga wamadoda. Wamadoda myanitshela ke mina ngitshela ungizwe umlando kaMchunu. Niyakanga wamadoda. Anukusebenzisa lokho. Anukusebenzisa lokho. Nithi niyasihola lendlala. Ngilahlekelwe inhlonipho nje manje ngenxa yenu. Anisicabangeli. Artists are suffering.